Okay, we have this equation to solve. We want to solve for x. X appears here, x appears here. Be careful, we have two layers of base. So the numerator is 2, base 2 raised by 9, then 9 raised by x. The denominator is 8 raised by 3, then 3 raised by x. Right, so questions like this, we want to match up the pattern on the left-hand side and the right-hand side because we have one term on the left and one term on the right. Remember, quarter can be written as, well, the denominator 4 can be written as a 2 squared, right? So then this can be written as half squared. And half can be written as a 2 raised by -1. So a quarter can be written as a 2 raised by -2. So this is a very crucial step. The 1/4 can be written as a 2 raised by -2, negative exponent. Now let's see the right-hand side, left-hand side. So the numerator 2 raised by 9 raised by x, that's fine because the base is 2. We'll focus on base 2 now. But the 8 can be written as 2 raised by 3. Then raised by 3 raised by x. 2 layers, we multiply them. So then we have 2. Division, we subtract the exponent. So we have 2, the numerator we have 2 raised by 9 raised by x. Subtract, the base is 2, because we change the denominator 8 to be 2 raised by 3. So minus 3 multiply 3 times 3 raised by x. All right, so this is a crucial step. So the numerator we don't change. So 2 raised by 9 raised by x. The denominator 8 we write as 2 raised by 3, then raised by 3 raised by x. Well, then 3 times 3 raised by x. So because it's division, same base, division, we keep the base, we subtract the exponent. So now we have base is 2 on the left-hand side, base is 2 on the right-hand side, the same base. The forces their exponents to be the same. So we have 9 raised by x minus 3 times 3 raised by x equals to -2. Well, 9 raised by x, 9 is a 3 squared. So that can be written as a 3 squared, then raised by x, minus 3 times 3 raised by x, that equals -2. Well, 3 squared, then x can be written as a 3x, then squared, minus 3 times 3 raised by x equals to -2. Well, then we can see 3 raised by x is a common factor. So factor out 3 raised by x. Then 3 raised by x squared means 3 raised by x multiplied by 3 raised by x. So factor out 1, we still have 3 raised by x left, minus 3 equals to -2. Well, actually now we can move, let's do this. Actually, I don't want to do this one. Let's not do this one. Because basically we have a quadratic equation. Let's move this -2 to the other side, become positive. So 3 raised by x squared minus 3 times 3 raised by x. The last 2 equals to 0. If we use k equals to 3 raised by x, we see this equation can be written as k squared minus 3k plus 2 equals to 0. So that can be factored as k minus 1, k minus 2, right? So we factor this as a 3 raised by x minus 1, 3 raised by k minus 2 equals to 0. Then use 0 property. That means the 3 raised by x can be 0. That means 3 raised by x can be 1. 1 can be written as 3 raised by 0. So that means x equals 0. One solution. Or 3 raised by x minus 2 might be 0. That's a 3 raised by x equals to 2. We take ln on both sides. So move this x up front, x equals to ln2 divided by ln3. So this is just irrational solution. And so we have two solutions for this. One solution is 0. Another solution is ln2 divided by ln3. What is ln2 divided by ln3? We just keep as it is. It's irrational solution, which means it doesn't really make sense to human brain yet. But we can approximate. If we type into a calculator will give us an approximation. But for us, let's just keep as it is. So there's two solutions for this, right? 0 and ln2 divided by ln3.